I'm Chised, and I work for Borderlands Earth Care Youth as a youth leader. I've been in the program before as an intern, and so this is my first year as a youth leader. Above all else, I would describe the program and my experience in it as fulfilling. It's really nice doing work that you know matters and work that a lot of people aren't willing to do. And alongside that, you get to work with some of the most incredible and caring people. And so that's my favorite part about working for BECY.
So hi, my name is Valeria. I am one of the youth leaders for BECY, and my experience so far has been really incredible. I think just being able to be a part of a group of young people, high schoolers, has been really a big, huge learning experience for me. Not just with getting together and working on restoration, but also just connecting with everyone and getting to know each other and feeling we're a part of something that's way bigger than us and making an impact in the community has been really amazing. And just seeing that evolve throughout the program has been really cool for us.
So some other projects we've been working on this season with Borderlands is we've been doing watershed restoration in Smith and Stevens Canyon out by the wildlife corridor between Patagonia and Sonoita. And that work, we make rock structures and stick structures to make sure the water really flows and sticks in the ground. And that area is so important to care for because of El Jefe. That's his, he's one of the only jaguars in North America. And he uses that to sort of cross up from Mexico. So I think that's so cool that, you know, we're doing this for someone else, essentially, even though it might not be another human being. I think it's so cool because not many places can say they have their own jaguar, and we're a special enough place to say that we have that.
I think one thing that BECY has done really great is that it makes you feel like you're making an impact because you're actually working inside your community and you're meeting a lot of people. So if you ever have some free time over the summer and you want to make an impact somewhere, I think that this would be a really great program to join and just not only help the earth, but you will also feel something out of it. You'll see the impact that you're making and it'll make you feel better. Just being outdoors and breathing in that oxygen and then meeting new people and getting to know their stories and building something together is just really amazing. So if you have some free time, please join. It'll be really good for you.
I think everyone should volunteer for Borderlands or do BECY at least once in their life. I think it really allows you to reflect a lot about yourself and the issues you care about. Even if you're not a crazy, you the environment is your thing, you'll figure out what you care about and that there are people in this world that care about the same things you do, and that there's groups every day trying to strive for better in the world. And that's what I love about Borderlands is it gives local kids the opportunity to really learn a lot about themselves and to do better for their community. And it's so much fun in the process. So I can't recommend this program enough.